Yuse Cabral would tell me that she would communicate and meet legislators to inform them of the amount of their allocations and ask them for titles of projects that they want to include in the DPWH budget. In a matrix of process flow that I have prepared, which I am attaching here to as Annex N, Yuse Cabral has total influence and authority in preparing and finalizing the NEP for infrastructure. On multiple occasions, I personally delivered and also caused to be delivered cash to Yuse Cabral at her house at Tatalon, Quezon City, and other places.
Now may isa pang insidente where matapos mahalal si SP Tito Soto, nag-text daw si Cabral para magtanong kung ano-anong mga insertions ang gusto niyang ipalagay sa National Expenditures Program o yung unang version ng budget na pinapasa ng presidente sa Kamara para pagbotohan.
The DPWH Undersecretary that I mentioned to have offered our Senate President through his staff to make insertions in the 2026 National Expenditure Program had vehemently denied it to her new boss, Secretary Vince Dizon, and to his face at that. Was actually lying through her teeth. Dapat alam niya na hindi ako basta nagsasalita ng walang katibayan. Ayan po ang resibo, Mr. President, and I quote, para maisama ko po sa NEP, sir. Her words, not mine. Sabi nga ng mga abogado, res ipsa loquitur. The thing speaks for itself.
Inimbitahan siya ng Independent Commission for Infrastructure na dumalo days before siya mamatay to lay out everything she knows about the whole shebang, pero hindi siya sumupot. Nang sinasabi sa panig ng lawyer ni Cabral, hindi sila nakatanggap ng formal na invitation, so why would they go there? Pero ang sabi ng kanyang asawa ayon sa interview, well, ayaw niya lang talaga. And that ayaw niya yung takbo ng ICI.
Sabi ko sa kanya is, ba't hindi ka, kinukestyon ko pa, ba't hindi siya umatin ng ICI ng 15?
Napag-usapan ninyo. Anong sabi ni ma'am?
Wala, sabi niya, sabi ko, ba't hindi ka umatin?
Sabi niyo.
Oo. Sabi ko, di ba, may lawyer ka naman, di ano. Sabi niya, wala lang. Parang hindi ko gusto yung Parang minsan iba yung sa ICI na kung sino lang yung nila.
Now if indeed she committed what she committed, would it not have been wise na ilantad niya muna yung mga nalalaman niya as a kind of scorched earth para lahat ng naging kasabwat niya